Hey, we're looking at a 2015 Heritage Softail. This motorcycle has just about 4,200 miles. It is set up for a single rider. It's got the back rack on the fender. It's got a LaPera custom seat, Vance & Hines pipes, some nice grips. The motorcycle is basically spotless. It's got a lot of chrome, the white walls. Sorry about all the background noise. We got a train going through, police driving by. You know, when you go to do these videos, you never know what's going to happen here in Mesa. But anyway, back to the bike. Again, it's a 2015 Heritage. It's got 4,200 miles on it. Stock number is U036759. We're asking $13,995 for this bike. If this motorcycle interests you, come by, take it for a test ride, see it in person. You can get all the specs and information on this motorcycle at desertwindhd.com. Again, stop by, take it for a test ride.